This trend shows a growing desire for financial independence and the drive to create multiple revenue sources, all while pursuing personal passions and interests. Side hustles aren't just about extra income. They offer a path to financial independence and a sense of autonomy. Technological advancements and the changing nature of work are driving this boom, offering unprecedented opportunities to turn skills and hobbies into viable financial endeavors, potentially leading to financial independence. Platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork enable freelancers to connect with clients worldwide. Additionally, social media is a powerful tool for marketing and building a brand. Choosing long-term potential over immediate gains. When considering a side hustle, it's crucial to focus on opportunities with long-term potential rather than immediate gains. Quick wins might be satisfying, but sustainable success comes from choosing industries with growth potential and scalability. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogs provide excellent monetization opportunities for content creators. Over time, creators can leverage their influence to collaborate with brands, launch their products, and reach new audiences, further enhancing their earning potential. Platforms like Shopify provide user-friendly tools and templates, enabling entrepreneurs to launch their businesses with minimal upfront costs. By partnering with suppliers, you can offer a wide range of products and focus on marketing and customer service instead of managing stock. Due to the rapid growth of digital industries, marketing, design, and programming skills are in high demand. Freelancers can leverage platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to connect with clients globally. This flexibility supports a balanced lifestyle, making these platforms ideal for those looking to work from home. Optimize your freelance career by joining Upwork or Fiverr today and taking advantage of the booming demand for marketing, design, and programming skills. Leveraging social media marketing enables you to reach a wider audience and interact with potential customers on platforms they already use. Additionally, utilizing AI tools can streamline various processes from customer service to data analysis, significantly boosting efficiency and overall efforts. These platforms can attract and retain customers, drive more traffic to your business, and foster community interaction. These platforms can attract and retain customers, drive more traffic to your business, and foster community interaction. Platforms like SEMrush and Ahrefs are essential for website optimization and boosting online visibility. Unlock the potential of tools such as ChatGPT to transform content creation, customer service, and data analysis. Automation tools simplify repetitive tasks like scheduling, email marketing, and inventory management. Innovation can involve developing new products, offering unique services, or implementing creative marketing strategies. Side hustles offer a viable path to financial independence and personal fulfillment. Focusing on long-term potential, leveraging technology, and maintaining consistency and innovation can turn a side hustle into a lucrative full-time career. Start your journey to financial independence today by initiating a side hustle.